Thank you for your answer, First Minister. In a Welsh Government press statement less than 2 weeks ago, the Health Secretary said Powys Health Board have no patients waiting more than 2 years for treatment. That is not true. That statement is not correct. Of course, you will know that many patients in Powys receive their treatment over the border in England and in other hospitals in other parts of Wales. And of course, it is true to say no patient in Powys is waiting for treatment in a district general hospital in the county, because there is no district general hospital in the county. So this shows a fundamental misunderstanding of how health services are commissioned and patients receive healthcare services in Powys. And I would ask you to correct that statement today, First Minister, and give you that opportunity. And of course, from next month, we know that Powys patients will be waiting even longer than English patients when treated in English hospitals, because the Welsh Government are not prepared to step in and treat Powys Health Board to fund patients based on the English waiting time target. So can I ask you, First Minister, to accept that many patients in Powys are indeed waiting more than 2 years for treatment, and ask you what you and your government are going to do about this?
Well, look, I'm really delighted that we achieved our aim of around 8,000 people waiting for no longer than 2 years for treatment at the end of March. That was something that I think is important to celebrate and to recognise the incredible hard work that was done by NHS staff. It is important to praise these people when they have gone above and beyond with the additional money that we've had as a result of a UK Labour government in Westminster. Now, let me tell you that it is worth reminding people that the average wait for treatment in Wales is 22 weeks. Now, you're quite right, there are no patients waiting for treatment within the Powys Health Board, but I've been absolutely intrigued to find out that there are 40 people waiting for treatment in non-Welsh providers. Okay, so that is in England, they're waiting. So there's about 81 people in Powys waiting for 2-year treatment, 40 of them waiting for treatment in England. We're not telling them not to do it, it's England that's slow. And I just find it absolutely intriguing. Listen to this. This is why you've really got to be careful with stats, because England throw around the fact that they've got 147 people in the whole of England waiting for 2 years, but 40 of them are in Powys. I just don't believe it for a minute. The key thing to remember is that we count very differently in Wales compared to England, and let's be absolutely clear that Powys Health Board has not given an instruction to England not to treat patients in England. That is simply not the case.